we've ratcheted up major requirements for kids. In our English department this year, kids are in every single English class reading a minimum of 10 books in a year, which was not what was happening previous. Each student is writing a minimum of 8 legitimate type 3-page papers. In terms of ratcheting up the requirement, we have to get our kids as 21st century learners and be able to handle the challenges that today's world asks. And that finally, as a district, we can offer truly a community-based place where we don't only just have a place for learning for kids, but for the community. So the vision that I have, that we have, I hope all of us have for this school district, is to be a part of the community in a meaningful way, where we can have senior citizens dances at 9 o'clock at night if that's what they want to have, and that we can have the pool open, and that we can have some rec program possible. As a community, we're not like a Grosse Pointe. We don't have money just floating around. So we need to use the assets that we have well. And all of you here, I know, are committed to a positive community environment. I know many of you, and I know how much you've personally sacrificed to get this community to continue to move forward. Our new high school is going to help us do that. Our new curriculum in this high school is going to help us do it.